Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making African chin chin. Let me take you through the ingredients. Remember to add your milk bit by bit so that you don't end up with a very soft mixture. We're looking for a tough dough so that it makes the perfect chin chin. The kneading process needs a lot of energy as the dough is very tough. You need to use a lot of energy, but the end result is worth it, guys. It's worth it. As you can see, the texture, it turned out tough, and that's the texture I was looking for. If you prefer to have harder chin chin, then please roll out your dough further to have a thinner dough, and that will help get the perfect results. For me, I just prefer to have medium hard so that even my kids can be able to enjoy the chin chins. Remember, you can shape them however you like. For me, I just thought it was fun making different shapes so that as my kids enjoyed the snack, they can also learn the shapes. So I made square shaped and rectangular shaped. As you can see, this is the final result. They really turned out amazing and they tasted amazing too. Now if you enjoyed watching this video guys, give it a like, comment, let me know what you think, and as always, remember to subscribe if you haven't done so. Share with your friends, ask them to subscribe as well. Bye. Now go enjoy your chin chin.